Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Just a quick update on the Mazda Tribute, my daughter's car. It's running. Just got it running yesterday. Now it's time to take the next 2 days and figure out all the bugs, what I forgot to put in, what magically broke that was good before I started working on it, all that good stuff. Always something, but at least she's running right now. And now I'm waiting to see if the cooling fans kick on, because it's electronic cooling, electronic fans on it. And we got an engine light on, and I'll be honest with you, I don't know if that was on before this thing broke down or not. I don't drive this thing, so I don't know its quirks. I did take it down and had a scan tool put on it, but the car refused to talk to the scan tool. So now I got to figure out why. So far she seems to be running pretty good, even with the engine light on. Alright, that's just a short update. Thank you all for following me. Thank you all for subscribing. And yeah, anyway, this is December 30th, Thursday. So you all have a happy new year. Be safe on New Year's Eve. And we'll get back to you sometime. Y'all take care.